have fun. You fun what? Have fun. Man, have fun. You can't. Man, I just joined one but this morning. And after registering with the promo code Vision 2020, I got 200% bonus where I take on EPO and La Liga matches. I just won 10,000 G's. Oh, hey, you don't need it. You hear me, please. That's one husband. You hear me, please. You hear me, please. Forgive what I say. Forgive what I say. Forgive what I say. Forgive what I say.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Really, what happened to you? Are you into pieces now? Shut up! Oh, you are shouting. That old man broke my virginity, and for Christ's sake, I came from a Christian home. Oh, come on for that.
Oh, started massaging his small.
Hey, wait, relax. What is wrong with you? I'm going to do that myself.
Wow, you said you were virgin. I still love the virgin guy. How mad you are too. Oh.
It's so disgusting.
You know my name? Yeah.
Hey, Papa, what is wrong with you?
Me and Papa?
Exactly, you like my dad.
What are you talking about?
Why are you behaving like a kid? Do you know how I'm feeling? How are you feeling? Listen, I was keeping this thing for my fucking husband and you're keeping it for your grandfather. Your grandfather. Hey, God will punish you. God will punish you. Give me the money he gave you. God will punish you. What's the problem when we were catching say God will punish me? God will punish you. When you think I didn't hear you from my room, when you're doing like ambulance, you think I didn't hear.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku Alvin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, Pim Cock on strong man best strength. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back you 240. Peer pressure, it be real so 1 can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Moja for the council, trying to 7 flags yeah, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out or say yeah, my papa.
But yeah, if you're free to a BB, I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Yeah, if you're free to a BB, I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before, peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Obiani fia free to a BB I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Obiani fia free to a BB I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I befoul, peer pressure befoul.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind.
place. Be one side connection. Buna, one side connection. Buna, one side connection. Buna, one side connection. Let go.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing?
Guys, listen to me. I really enjoyed Alvin's performance on stage because it's called a real talent, trust me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is impossible. You of all people admiring someone. What? This guy is really like a new style on it.
Hey. What's all this exaggeration about? And is this princess falling in love with someone?
Excuse you?
Oh, please.
Did I have the right to do that? Please. Oh.
Don. Fresh. Who is this Form 1 guy that everyone is admiring? It seems that guy gets some kind of swag and different attractions here, man for a man. Right? Everyone is liking him. Why? Who is he?
You're right. I even heard that last Saturday he performed very well and all the students were admiring him. Charlie.
Meaning he's a rapper. He raps too.
Yes.
Wow. Girls. Are you in any way saying Princess cannot express her emotions just because she's always saying her mind?
Tell them.
Like seriously? Wala no flexica again.
Whatever. Ouch. Don't mind them, baby. I'm gonna get myself a pizza.
Okay. Hey.
What? Girls.
From one up like it can oh yeah.
So you mean all that transpired here last 2 days?
Oh yes.
From one student to and Form 3's girls are admiring him. Charlie.
You really know me, I'm born, eh? Like, what's going on in this school? How can they give a Form 1 student the stage to rock
that been happening in school
without our notice?
Me, I don't blame anybody, but I blame some power.
That entertainment guy.
Even John fucking now
what say was
how can you give a whole Form 1 student the platform to perform while you were out there scamming?
And then I'm John and when did this happen in this school?
You should have consulted us. Oh, spirit, Form 1 you good. I was on around school in the say me man basti. Me man embra. Na me man fair guy no. Na my audition guy no.
That one crowd. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Tell me more about it.
Who am I entertainment? Alvin. My name is boy no me yonko sa. We be gina stage. No what sunyum no we diasa. Dan baby no kwatwin be gina stage so. Auntie madam be wo me see for say kunkuru. Na we. Wow honey.
I really miss this.
Auntie madam.
One does sound never end.
Would you
What?
Edian. Oh,
please.
But you won't not tell
What are we doing?
Some poor or she. If you answer your cry during the voting, young booty, man. You smoke. Already is a last year in the cook. Or by day photo, no.
He came to me to ask for a lighter. I'm the lighter. I had a credit for this. No. Wash your own.
With the 4-man guy, the winner the girls give them fans.
We have to do something about it. We have to do something about it because this from one guy knows what's his name, Gra?
I think Alvin, but you definitely know.
Alvin or something. Alvin. Yeah, 1A1. We have to find this boy.
Yeah, you want to buy Bugatti? Oh my God. Want to wear Versace? Yeah. See, they gotta allow you to live on the street. I see, yeah. There's anything is there from Tiwada.
Yana get to boys in the hammer. Have them a cash in your middle. Just a mission they could change. I'm a possibility how me. Yeah, I'm a can you do a question in your name? I'm a for you. The time to cross one medical family. Papa, some for it. Send your work because we go to meet you. Because a bit more than said, because I'm going to say the two on one could see. I can be there. Thank you. With the two behind, I'll be one. With the 3 Baba for your son, the number I can have a year. I'm going to come on with the come to me. I said, I'm a
What are you doing? Come on, party man. I see aqua. It's a one at the rap on. About that baby. What about organize a press conference? Now down where the boy. Hey, you stepped what? You stepping on the dangerous grounds. Let me stick a memo when you see me. Abba. Do I make myself clear? I cut him any better than you fear. Yanni Abba.
Ow! Brown the beats not saying me.
Yeah, you want to buy Bugatti? Oh my God. Want to wear Versace? Yeah. See, they gotta allow you to live on the street. I see, yeah. There's anything is there from Tiwada.
What's in out your booty?
What do you mean?
What's in out your booty?
What do you mean?
What's in out your booty?
What do you mean?
What's in out your booty?
What do you mean?
Hey, down go tweet. Down go tweet. Hey, down go tweet. Down go tweet. What's in out your booty?
What do you mean?
What's in out your booty?
You say what masters? What you want me to do? What you say? Fools! Charlie, I just want to listen, it's below 80%. I'll deal with you. Below 80%. It's said and done. Just brush up paper. 79.5. Stop money.
Now listen. Class testament. You need more.
Last one. Man, I count.
Hey, stop that. Hey, you. Why heading towards?
Please, to the library to study.
To the?
Library.
To?
Library.
To do what?
To study.
To study. And who said we play football in the library? Listen, this is the chick he just escaped right now. You would have been shot if you were to be in America. You know that?
I'm sorry.
Huh. She better be. Your name?
Alvin, what please?
Alvin Bwatton. It smells though. I will just manage. And then your school father?
Senior
Javis. This boys at speed?
Yes.
Oh, that's not bad. Anyways, I just came to congratulate you for a very great performance on stage during entertainment last weekend. You really have a good talent.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Anyways, I'm Prince Isles.
Prince?
Why are you stammering? I said Prince Isles.
Prince Isles.
Hi. It's okay. I'm Prince Isles. I'm from America. I'm a black American. Yeah, nice meeting you there.
Nice meeting you too.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. You can go now.
Thank you.
Oh. Wow.
Kyekyeku made a certain drown.
I don't want them. Sure.
Pass. Just one time.
Frank, it seems you make slow. Wow.
I'm thinking about the masters.
Masters?
The one you just did.
This common test, you are thinking of it.
I was not able to do it, and I'm thinking about how do you do the Venn diagram?
Frank, that's why I've been telling you. I've been telling you to learn because we are going to form through.
You see, yesterday there was no light now, so I was not able to.
You couldn't learn.
Master, this common test, if you tell me say you cannot do it there, then forget form 3 because you can't go to form 3. This is class test, and how come the exams you can do?
So how do you do the
The Venn?
So that I
Venn diagram.
The Venn diagram. Oh, yeah, they say.
You are you sure you're able to do it?
How do you do so that I can compare to my own?
It's right.
Me Venn diagram, but me second onu me put the ono here na like this. Me so my chip.
You said you did it correct.
I said you like 80 something.
So that I compare to my own. If I'll be able to pass.
Venn diagram, yeah, boss be near Dodon. Sammy, me say boss so no now. But you go be brilliant so 82 and 90 men check on 7.
Are you sure you're able to do it?
Ohene. And Venn diagram go on wo. Your subjects and other topics be woman me find it. Venn diagram na say chi madwin kakra de boss so me.
I hope you pass.
Yeah, they say you don't to see boss.
As if you were unable to do it.
Let's wait for the results.
Yes.
Master, Kentran who you be mo. You need to learn. I've been telling you to learn this one. If you can't score 50 or 40 out of this test,
at least you should pass.
I know how I learned. Because of the lights, I was not able to learn. I'm not able to.
You don't learn.
Hey.
Yeah. Who? Babi.
Hey, call me back.
What kind of heart do you have? I get human heart. High spirit. If you really want to know more about me and want me to help you, go and sit and talk deeply to your heart to know the limit it has before.
Oh my God! Excuse you, native boy. You don't even know anything about the American Jews. Oh, now I want you to get this into your fucking head. I am not like those girls who wants to move around with you and your fucking guys over there. Do you really get that? Hey, and bear this in mind. I'm not from a poor home. DJ Series is my little sister. You know that? You're below belt. You know my class. I don't date poor boys like you. Stupid. Excuse me.
So, Sike Kasa, what's it? Samonasi Chale. I don't think Samu deserve way. Charlie, grab this.
That money.
Chairman, who be this say? Mother. Papa.
Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. If you're free to now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befoul, peer pressure befoul. A befoul, peer pressure befoul. A befoul, peer pressure befoul. A befoul, peer pressure befoul.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure.
High spirit. Why are you here all by yourself? I even went to the dormitory to check up on you. What's wrong? My guy. What's wrong? Talk to me.
Where's VisionBwoy?
VisionBwoy. I think he's inside the dormitory. We need to talk. Hey, Spirit! Hey, Spirit! What is going on? Hi, Spirit! Hi, Spirit!
Thank you for watching the Pressure TV series. Hi, it's Nash. But let me tell you the easiest way to get the money back. Just take your phone, download 1xBet on Play Store or Apple Store. Register with the promo code Vision2020 and get a chance of winning 200% bonus. What is better now? My family here for Ireland.
Like seriously, we can't see that Michael guy for any help. Besides, he got nothing better to offer us.
VisionBwoy, calm down. Do you know what? Something tells me that Michael guy can help us. And do you know why? One, nowadays, scamming is not fetching us money. We don't get muggles to chat him or her to get money. Two, rude boy, Makonzi, Alonso are challenging us concerning swag. They're telling everybody that they are running the school. And you are here making noise talking to me. Now let me take you deep down your heart to know what is going on. Have you forgotten that princess called us a below swagger bad boys who were fake kids on campus? And you are happy about this. Now, this year, we are supposed to win the Platinum Awards, whether you like it or not. Have you forgotten about Taco? Oh, so you've forgotten about fanfares and other events? And you are here talking, Safuba. Don't let me make a big mistake for accepting you into this clique. You have to make up your mind once and for all. Whether you like it or not, Michael is going to help us.
You have a great point though, but we ain't seeing that Michael guy for anything. Besides, he get nothing. Why should we see him in the first place? That Michael guy is just an ordinary person just like us. You understand?
Look at you. You call Michael just an ordinary guy. There's something you don't know. Let me remind you. Do you know that he knew of it that we talked about him when we were rehearsing on the ground for the Saturday's entertainment? What? How did you know? You are shocked, right? That is a very good question. That's the same question I asked him. And do you know what he told me? He told me, before I will know him more, I have to go and sit down. Sit my fucking ass down. Think deep to know the limit of my heart, where it is, before I can know him more. You are here, Papa. Enough, guys! Why are you limping into two different opinions? Huh? First boy, I think High Spray got a point. Yes. Why don't you give it a try? Huh? See, guys, I'm out of this. You guys can go on and do whatever you want. Hey, French boy, so far. You see what I always tell you. I brought that sofa into this collect because Nane Papa was kakra to me the baby bami didi. But now says can be my BMO.
She the gay, she never be JV. Charlie, she the holy, never will she be lonely. If she did roses, she stars in many poses. She's sweet, you know, cherry black. She's from St. Mary.
Hey, girls, don't you know how to greet? Greet!
She the beat, my baby girl, I need you more than my world.
Pizza, burger, cheese, every day. I don't even understand her. Seriously, you know the funny thing. I haven't even seen her taking sherbet with the pizza before. Always raw pizza.
Girl, won't say the thing with think or crying nights. Make me
Princess.
think what they said.
This is my baby. Hey, you and pizza. When you see pizza, you see princess. When you see princess, you see pizza.
Exactly.
Hey.
You know my dad is from America, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so the moment I said, "Bah, pizza comes." I'm from a rich home, indeed.
Really?
You know it.
Yeah, princess. Oh, princess. Won't you accept me?
Hey, how many times have I told you to stop about all these proposal things? You are below belt. Huh?
Princess, you know I really love
Shut up! You love who? Please. I'm off.
Princess.
Hey, catch you.
Ah, princess! Oh, princess! Oh, this one is a wow. Princess, princess!
Next on Peer Pressure.
Hey guys, I told again that you to visit me this weekend.
Oh yeah, I told Biggie to come along. He's bringing me a lot of stuffs. I mean provisions. Oh, I just miss him. Can't wait to see him.
Hey, she already know it's not good for that man to come here. You know, students, they'll start suspecting something. You know that.
Before you people can see fame, you have to go and prepare your hearts and have the same mindset before you can take the journey. Did you say journey? What journey is that? The journey to your riches.
I say I can't watch or look for you to give this whole package to common security. The one who open gate, close gate for people in this compound. For what reason? Eh? I want to sacrifice myself for you. Me not say many John.
Don't touch me.
Dear man.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku Alvin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, one pay your crab one pair. Mobia more pressure. Him caught on strong my best string. School girls CP need to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy over class hour the Benz no team seen to the bank. Morning break and Satanya about you 240. Peer pressure if you rose one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Moja good for the cancel trying to 7 flex I know any about. Sugar mama phone you date to a new thing come out what you say yeah my pop.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes I before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, pressure.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before peer pressure before.